Let me get the camera going. This is Bob's maiden flight. He ain't never flown an ornithopter before, but by George, he's gonna do it now. All right, ready, Bob? Okay. All right, ease back on your power just a little bit. That's good. Now just stay up high there and just tool around. So you can make... What do you think, Bob? You give a little bit of power when you go to turn, and then come back off the power just for a nice fly around.
I'm a little over half.
Yeah, a little over half, huh? Well, what do you think for your first ornithopter flight?
That's great, fantastic. Truly amazing.
How's it responding?
Pretty good.
You feel like you got control?
Yeah. Oh yeah. It holds altitude real good.
Let's turn into the left. Why don't you go out and make it go around, turn into the right. Get you a little more altitude. Want to stay in the flapping. Okay, all right. As long as you know you can go both ways, that's all that matters. Now you can fly wherever you want to.
Half throttle.
Half power, huh?
Awesome. Absolutely awesome. Yeah.
Not doing too bad for your first ornithopter flight. You ever flown an ornithopter before?
This is the first time.
I'd say you're doing pretty good.
Alright, so you're going to have to land it.
No, we're going to let you land it. Just go up a little higher. Yep, so flap, give it a little more. There you go. We'll just tool around. Whenever that first beeper goes off up there, then we'll know it's going to be time to set up to land. So once you make a turn around to the right and go like you're going to come over the runway, but stay up high, because then you'll have an idea of what you got to do to bring it in. And we're going to see if we can set you right down on the white line when it's time. Yeah. All right, so you see what you got to do to line up there, right?
Explain to me what I'm going to do before I do it.
Yep. You're gonna do the same thing you just did there, except we're going to be a lot lower, and you're going to be slowing down the flap rate. You're not going to stop it, but you're going to slow it down, because then it's going to be coming down. And as soon as it gets about let's say 10 feet off the ground, you'll ease it back even more, and when it gets to about 5 feet, then you're going to kill the power all the way and never get back on the power.
Can I land it now?
You can.
Is that perfect?
That's good enough for me. So stay in the power a little bit. Now start easing off the power. Ease off the power. Yep, stay just like that. Ease off the power more. Stay just like that. Stay just like that. Just like that. All right, get ready to kill the power. Kill the power. Not bad for the first timer. Nice job there, Bobo.